Uh, Today I've just seen a small briefing from so-called Bablu, Loitongbam, a self-styled social activist or something like human rights activist. So while he is speaking in a seminar, he mentioned about the root of Meitei, and then he is mentioning something like we have started the war during the conflict of this Meitei Kuki. So what does he really think of this Bablu Loitongbam? What does he himself think of? How can he say that we were very rude to other communities or to the Kukis during the conflict war of Naga Kuki in 1992-93? It continues till 1980, 1998, 1999. We were taking a very big role as a brotherhood, and we were not opposed or supposed to any other community. And even in my residence during that time, there were Kukis running from Kangkupi, and they were staying in my house, who were well known with my father and uncle. And then there were Nagas staying in my house together with that Kuki, coming from Thonglan, a Naga small villages, where they are running from the villages, staying in my house together with that Kuki. We were taking a very big brotherhood role in the middle. How can he say that we were very rude to other communities? Never. We never do that. And you see, even during this conflict war of this Meitei Kuki started since 2023 last year, May. So the war did not start just by May 2023. It started from the beginning, like 2014, 2015. You see, India government just respect the youths of Manipuris, the icons of Manipuris, where they were very well talented in the sports activities, and they are giving us a sport university as a gift, as a token of love to the state, where it is being constructed in Kautruk, Sendanjirang, in the Kunau area. And even during that time also, in 2014-15, the small village where it's already been dominated by the Kuki at present, but the village is presented by the Meitei outfit, Meitei villages. And even the name also is called, what is it called? Harautel, yes, Harautel. So during the time of that, while started constructing of this sports university, the Kukis staying in the Harautel area, they have started firing, they have started disturbing many things. They tried to burn the sport university. They started beating Meitei peoples around. So how can you say that Meitei started the war? How can you say that we were very rude to the other communities? How can you say that? And you are mentioning here, it will be settled down if we were good to the community in the middle of the conflict. How can you say that? During the rally of 2023 May 3rd, the Kuki have started beating up a Meitei youth, driver of Hybra. They are in the Churchanpur cell. They have started burning the forest offices. They have started burning the houses in Torbung Bangla and then Kangbai area. And they have already vanished all the villages in Kangkupi area, Saparmaina area, Churchanpur area. How can we just stay as a spectator during that time? How can you say that? And you see, how many Kuki have been killed in Meitei area at present? And how many Meitei have already been killed in the Kuki area also? Recently there was a very unfortunate incident that happened in the Jiribam also. There have been raped an 8-year-old baby. They have been killed, hit by a stick, and they have been fired. 8 months old baby, and they have been raped. An old woman who is already crossed 60 years. How can we just remain as a spectator around? How can you say that? Huh? Do we have done anything wrong to the Kuki people? Of course, in the beginning, there were some youths, they were going a naked parade for 2 Kukis, but they did not rape anything. They just go a parade around, and then they were being sent to the villages. Now they were being sent. We did not do anything. How can you say that? And then, see, MP coming from Myanmar to Manipur, and then because we were being rude, they were being settled to Mizoram. We were very much welcome here from all over the world. around the planet. We will welcome everybody here, whether it may be MP, whether it may be MLA, whether it may be anyone, whoever it is. But we welcome them as a guest. We welcome them as a, as a tourist. How can they just come and stay here in Manipur? Manipur is also a part of India, largest democratic part of country. It has got a law. It has got our own law. We have got our own law. They just come here, settle here around without anything, without any procedure. And then Bablu Loitongbam, he mentioned that because the Manipuri people has been rude to them and then they were being shifted or they were being settled to Mizoram. Of course, they can go to Mizoram. Mizoram and Myanmar, they have got a very big relationship, very internal relationship. They can go and settle there, but not here. And then you see, Mizoram offering approach. Mizoram offering approach. They can offer anything, but we will not offer anything. We will just do a procedure, and then they can stay here as a guest and as a tourist. That's all, nothing else. And after that, they have to return to their own villages. So, Bablu, this is the last warning to you. In the beginning of the war situation, also you have mentioned that in one of the interview in national media interview that Meitei has started the war. Can you bring proof that Meitei started the war? This bloody cookie, they have been started the war since 2014-15, and then by 2023 May itself, they have been started shouting cookie Biren Satu, who is the head of the state, and they have been very rude to the people of Meitei. They have been started beating Meitei driver, Meitei Hybra driver there in Churchanpur Shell. And they themselves burned this cookies. What is that centenary bloody fact cookie history, Anglo Cookie War 1917, 1919. It's all fact. They themselves have started burning that, which is posted, which is lived in the area of Cookie village. How can we just go and burn that poster in Cookie area? And because of that, the war begins. And now, as the war has already begun, we will never stop anything. We will not stop until and unless we send them back. We send them all these cookie bloody illegal immigrants, narco terrorists to their own country, to their own state, or we finish them until then. Now, I want Bablu Loitongbam not to speak out anything against the Meitei or against this community or against the state government until and unless he is being proved innocent. See, this is a book being officially published by the government of Manipur and is already being sent to the government of India also. And before the war, you can see here, ordered by the governor of Manipur, and is being appointed to Chairman Lepo Haukip. Lepo Haukip is a cookie, Minister Tribal Affairs at Hills, and Sri Awangbam Nyomai is a Naga, representing as a Minister of Water Resource, and Mr. T.H. Basanta, Honorable Minister Education, he is from Meitei community. Honorable Chief Minister is presenting all the three communities, and he has been appointing this bloody cookie Lepo Haukip as a chairman to research or subcommittee with the committee identification, just to identify the Myanmarese illegals, whoever settling here in Manipur. They should have understand all this. Bablu should understand all this. So, Bablu, I'm challenging you. If you need or if you want a debate from me, whether it may be in Delhi, whether it may be in Manipur, whether it may be in United States or any part of the country, I'm challenging you. I'm challenging you for an official debate. Otherwise, don't bloody keep on speaking your bloody doki mouth again. Finish.